The Nissan 350Z, also known as the Fairlady ZZ33 in Japan, is a legendary sports car that captured the hearts of automotive enthusiasts around the world. Introduced in 2002 as a successor to the popular Nissan 300ZX, the 350Z brought a fresh design, exhilarating performance, and a captivating driving experience. With its sleek and aggressive exterior styling, the 350Z demands attention on the road. The long hood, pronounced fender flares, and a muscular rear end gave the car a distinct and timeless appearance. It was a true modern interpretation of the classic sports car design. The Nissan 350Z became an icon in the sports car world and developed a dedicated following of enthusiasts. It showcased Nissan's commitment to performance and proved that a thrilling driving experience could be achieved without breaking the bank. Although production of the 350Z ended in 2009, its legacy continues to influence Nissan's sports car lineup, such as the 370Z and the GT-R. The 350Z remains a beloved choice for those seeking an affordable and engaging sports car that delivers a true sense of driving enjoyment.